I'm whipping up the cutest spooky treat for Halloween orange and black swirled brownies like a magical portal taste like fudgy heaven. Imagine a tray of brownies that scream trick or treat when you cut into them bold, orange, inky, black, gooey, chocolatey. Perfect for parties, neighbors, classroom, bake sale. Preheat oven to 350 degrees, 175 degrees. Line an 8-draw 8 or 9-9 pan with parchment with little wings. Melt 1 or 2 cup unsalted butter. Whisk in 1 cup sugar until glossy. Add 2 eggs and 1 TSP vanilla. Mix until smooth. Sift 1-2 cup cocoa powder, 3-4 cup all-purpose flour. Pinch of salt. Fold in 1 or 2 cup chocolate chips. Stir just until combined. No overmixing. Divide the batter in half. Color 1/2 orange. Go bright pumpkin. Color the other half black with black cocoa or black gel. If it's too thick, splash in 1 tablespoon milk to keep it swirlable. Spoon alternating orange and black dollops into the pan. Take a butter knife and gently drag in S-curves across. Rotate the pan and repeat. Don't over-swirl. 3 or 4 passes max or you'll get gray. Bake 20–28 minutes, depending on pan size and your fudgy versus cakey heart. A toothpick should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Cool completely in the pan. This sets the swirl. Lift with parchment wings. Slice with a warm knife for clean edges. Look at that contrast. Bright pumpkin orange waves hugging those midnight swirls. Add candy eyes black sprinkles white chocolate spiderweb drizzle. Serve big squares for parties or cut bite size for trick-or-treaters. Wrap individually, tie with orange ribbon, and watch them vanish. Stir in orange zest for a citrus pop. Use 1.1 gluten-free flour blend if needed. Store airtight 3 days or freeze up to a month. That's my Swirl Your Soul Halloween brownie. If you try it, tag me. Let's make October delicious and a little spooky.